else? Hugo, look maybe down on the ground.
I found one!
You did? Great! Put it in the
Wow.
basket. Great job.
You see one down on the ground?
I don't know. Let's look around. See any down there? Where else, Hugo?
No. I know, Mommy.
Where?
Oh, good one, Hugo.
You found an egg.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay.
Where else, Hugo?
Where are other eggs? Look up and down and all around.
Look what I found.
What is it?
Whoa, you found another one.
Yeah.
Good job.
That's a good one, isn't it?
Julian says there's my name.
Oh, Hugo found another one.
Good job, Hugo. Another egg.
Wow.
You found one.
Let's find some more.
Okay, keep looking with your eyes. Let's go back in your room to see where the rest of the eggs from the Easter Bunny are.
Hey! I have an idea in my drawers.
That'd be pretty secret.
Yeah.
You like that mask?
Well, none of them are there.
What do you think? Maybe. Should we look in your bed?
That's Hugo's mask. Do you like that?
Maybe behind. See one?
I thought I saw something.
Where?
Where, Mom?
You got it!
Is that yours, Mom?
The pink one?
Yeah.
I can't remember. Is the pink one mine?
It's for everybody.
Great! Would you like to put it in the basket?
Yes.
Great job.